if you could smell this, it smells amazing. The husband is cooking the breakfast on this snowy day. Thanks, love.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
More eggs
We filled up the bird feeder.
Watch out, Moo. Come on.
And look at all the birds. Oh, he's so pretty. Look at him. There's Moo Moo out jumping. Where'd they go? They love to play outside. Alrighty, let's measure. Oh my god, there's so much. What does that say? 8 inches. 8 inches. 8 inches of snow. Look at this. She's trying to look at the birds. Oh, look at her. That's the husband out with the new snowblower. I think it shoots pretty far. He's in his glory, I think, though. He kept on saying, "Look how far this shoots! Look how far this shoots!" Alright, so we are done playing in the snow for a little bit today. I'm going to make some hot cocoa. This is a hot chocolate ball. I have the milk in here heating up, and then we're going to make that. Alright, we're all mixed up. That was super easy. Just pop some milk in the microwave for a little bit, pour it over the bomb, and stir it up. It's good to go. I think I'm going to add a little bit more marshmallows though. Now that's good to go. Let's go warm up with some hot cocoa. Look at this, guys. These are icicles with snow on our roof. Look at that. Can you see that? Look how neat. That's cute. Alright, so yesterday we had a snow day. We took literally the entire morning to to dig out and snow blow and shovel and all of that. And then we played in the snow with the dogs for a little bit, and then Anthony had to go back out last night at probably 5:36 and snow blow again because we got more snow. But this morning it looks good. I think we just got maybe half an inch to an inch overnight, but nothing like yesterday. So we're both going back to work today, and yeah, that was our first snowstorm this year, and it was good. And yeah, so we're just going back to work, and I hope that you really liked this vlog, and I'll see you guys again. Bye. I love you today.